Why are you doing that? Clutch is fucking acting weird. I think it's because my belt's way too loose. It's fucking acting strange.
A little warm, eh?
A little bit warm.
A little hot.
That is way fucking too loose.
That might be what's causing it. Acting weird. And it's dragging me along at idle.
New spare belt going on. Clutch has started acting funny, so it's time to throw on our spare belt that isn't all that great, but it's better than the one that came off. Feel it the whole way up this last little stretch. Something's not right. Something's going on with the clutches. It's not hooking up right.
That's my favorite.
I already blew a belt this year. Phaser!
Why do you think that thing up today?
Because my dad had it.
Oh, did he?
Yeah. That needed a new belt too.
Who's fucking riding that thing?
Dave.
Well, I'm sure he loves that.
They're just taking it ice fishing.
Oh yeah.
No phaser up here. That's gonna be way too many shims, I'm gonna guess, but fuck it, we'll leave it like that. See what it does. It was walking ahead on me on the trail, and I was like, fuck, maybe I lost my clutch bolt too.
You didn't want to see the Colton on the cover, what? No?
Benjamin, you want to lift up on the bumper? He's a tough guy.
Ready?
Yeah, don't lift by the track. Oh, there's too much snow in the way. Okay, put it down. Oh. Fuck. How's it going, Ben?
Oh, there's a rock. Boom. Right there.
Oh, fuck me.
That's tight, eh?
That's tight. That will not do. That's Shawnee belt deflection right there.
There you go.
Oh, it's still tight. Might just because that belt is all fucking disformed and shit. I'm sitting wrapped up the way it was. It's tight still. Okay, put it down. I want to see how it's made. I want to have a nap on the couch. Can you fucking... Ooh. Kind of what I'm almost thinking. Something's not right. primary clutch is sticking for sure. Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? Huh. Something's happening. I want to try lifting up in the back and I'll...
Is the primary still engaged?
I think it is a little bit. I think the primary clutch is sticking on a little. But... it's holding it somehow. Okay. Tether.
So?
When my last one did it, fucking the exact same thing.
It was doing that.
I don't know.
Find out.
I'm gonna unplug it and find out. Okay, it's unplugged. Because it was doing that exact same thing.
Take that belt off. Start it.
Yeah. I'll break my clutch though. Yank that out of there. If you can. Unless this belt is not the right belt and it's too wide.
Look at my spare. Is it the same belt?
Yep, should be. Wrong belt. Let's check the part number on that one compared to the part number on yours.
What's going on?
Something's up, I think, with the belt. Clutch is back shifting properly. Ooh, look at that.
0627-84.
084.
084.
Give me your spare and let's just throw it on and just fucking see.
Hardware shed here?
Yeah, it's somewhere. What if it's the wrong belt?
Maybe just put your other one on, see if it still does it.
It doesn't matter, put it wherever. Yeah, just see what it does. Huh. Something's not operating right, I'd say. Something's holding on a little too hard, I think. Snow. Snow in the clutches. What's that?
Sounds like weird.
It's holding, that primary clutch is holding the belt too hard. I unplugged it. I thought that was the problem. I won't be able to. Won't be able to get it at the plug. But
Okay. Well, Johnny here yet today?
yeah. Something's wrong. It's not back shifting. Losing power. It's staying in gear while I'm stopped. Three machines have clutch problems today, and this is one of them. I'm wondering if a secondary spring broke, maybe. We got sleds to work on again, as usual. Everybody giving us a hard time about Arctic Cats.
Yeah.
Those things are breaking down up there too. We're just not filming it. So we find some good snow today, Ben?
Pretty good for around home here.
Not bad for around home. Managed to screw up a couple sleds.
Yeah.
So it's back to the workshop.
Steaks and beer, maybe.
Steaks and beer tonight and figure out what the hell is going on with the clutches today, because we had 3 units go down because of clutches. Thanks everybody for watching this video. If you like this video, smash that like button down below. Subscribe to the channel, keep up with the current giveaways, and we'll see everybody in the next video.